For this tutorial, we need container soil wax and paraffin wax with a melting point of 58 degrees Celsius, mixed in a 1:1 ratio, half and half. Please note that the container soil wax used in this recipe should be specifically for containers and not mistaken for pure soil wax. Melt the wax over medium-low heat. The dark moon candle made from this recipe will have a smooth surface but a textured feel. Prepare the acrylic mold you like. I'm using a 6 cm diameter sphere mold. If you're using a sphere mold for the first time, be careful not to overlap the two small ears when covering it up, as it will be difficult to demold the candle. Thread the wick and seal the hole with rubbers. Don't completely melt the wax. When there's a small amount of unmelted wax left in the pot, turn off the heating plate and remove the pot. Stir the wax quickly with a spoon to cool it down. Scrape the wax from the sides of the pot and stir it into the wax liquid to accelerate the cooling process. During this process, the wax liquid will gradually turn into a cotton-like texture. Stir for about 3 to 5 minutes until there's a small amount of wax liquid left, while most of it has turned to a cotton texture. It's time to dye the candle. Dip a skewer into a black liquid dye and gently poke it into a cotton-like wax to create color dots. Use the back of the spoon to gently spread and blend the color dots, and press the wax against the mold wall, allowing the color to blend naturally. Make sure to press firmly to avoid any air bubbles onto the surface of the candle. The current appearance is not the final look. The color will become lighter once the candle has completely solidified. After completing the outer layer coloring, it's time to fill in the wax liquid. Reheat the remaining wax. When the wax reaches between 60 degrees Celsius and 65 degrees Celsius, add between 5% and 8% candle flame oil and stir quickly to mix well. Pour the wax into the mold at between 55 degrees Celsius and 60 degrees Celsius, leaving some space to fix the wax surface. Skewer the wick. After half an hour, use a heat gun to melt and smooth the wax surface. If there's any sinkhole, add another layer of wax to fill it. Secure the wick again and wait for about 2 hours for it to completely solidify. Open the mold directly to demold the candle. Use a stick to tidy up any invisible lights created by the mold suture.